Welcome everyone to another unboxing of the new Samsung Note 10 Plus. Let's see what we got in the box, buddy.
All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we got here in the box. All right, we have the box of the Note 10, as you can see over here. It
Nice.
looks nice and crispy over here. And then we got the Note 10.
Yeah, I know there's been a
Plus.
lot of unboxing videos, somewhere around here, but ours is the best, just so you know, because we originals. Okay, here, go ahead, buddy, take it away.
Yeah, there you go. You can look into it. It's really nice.
Nice, pretty big size.
So let's put it here on the side. And
Pretty
now
big size
we
phone. I
have
like
the
big
box.
size phone. Nice.
Let's see what we got in the box.
You got some accessories. Let's
Got
see
some
what it brings.
stickers.
Okay.
Some parts. And
Okay.
then we got that charger over here.
All right.
This
Let's
is
see
a fast
how.
charging charge.
Okay.
And there you go. This is the latest technology. And it's supposed to charge faster than the previous Note 9.
It's good to know. It's good to know.
Got some accessories over here.
All right.
We have the wire right here.
Okay.
There you go.
Nice. Nice.
And then we have some headphones from
Whoa.
APG.
I heard that this headphones supposed to have real good sound, good bass, good quality sound. So they did pretty good. Samsung did pretty good this time. And let me tell you guys, we're not getting paid for this by Samsung. This is our purchase. We purchased this phone on our own, and we just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. For whoever hasn't gotten the phone yet, at least you know what you're getting and what you're getting inside the box and all the the cool stuff that you guys are getting. So yeah, so there you go.
There you go. We'll be in touch with you all. Leave your comments below. Let us know what topics you want to hear from us, and we just have to be here.
All right,
See you
guys.
next time.
Bye bye.